part of the Serengeti grassland system. It's home to a wide variety of animals: lions, elephants, cheetahs, giraffes, warthogs, wildebeests, even termites. And it's just part of the wild Africa we're trying to preserve here in Harambe, Africa, where we are.
Where?
Any questions so far?
Straight ahead.
I see the giraffe.
Don't bother doing my job while no one's listening.
We're listening.
I'm just kidding. Here on this van, the landscape's created by the animals that live here. Elephants will knock over old trees and let new ones grow, create new pathways. Back up on the hills on the left-hand side, they're back in the bushes though, are Patterson's elands, the largest antelopes in Africa. Males get up to 2,000 pounds. Let's see if we can look back.
There's one.
Good.
Shoulder blades are about 6 feet high as well. Very large. If you ever want to know how tall the tallest giraffe in a given area is, look at the leaf line on the trees. See how uniform it is all the way across? That's the size the tallest one can reach. They pick off the lowest leaves on a tree, which inadvertently lets more sunlight into the grasses. Grasses in turn feed grazing animals. When left alone, it's a perfectly balanced ecosystem, and all the different types of animals that live here get enough to eat.
Oh yeah, that's true. God knew what he was doing, huh?
All around us here are termite mounds made out of saliva and sand. They are as hard as concrete. Other animals use them as scratching posts. And all around us here are reticulated giraffes. Their name comes from the Latin reticulata, which means netted, referring to their coats. They're the tallest mammals. They get up to 20 feet tall. They're often 6 feet tall at birth, like the baby out on the right. That's correct. I'm 6'2". When he was born, we were eye to eye. Now he's 5 feet taller than me, and he's 4.5 months old.
How do you know if it's a girl or a boy?
Ask your mother.
Oh, but you said you had a man taking all of it.
I do, but
Yeah, that's right.
whether it's appropriate or not.
Emma, look. It's more.
Where?
Or not more. There's. Look at the horns.
On the left-hand side there, those are Ankoli cattle. Their horns are 6 feet from tip to tip, but hollow. Blood flows in and out of them to regulate their body temperature, like a radiator. About 20 inches around at the base. Longest recorded Ankoli cattle horns are 8 feet from tip to tip.
Would it hurt if you get stabbed on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it
Look
would.
at it shaking. Don't let him see me. Bring your head back. Look, babe. Zoom in over there. Look at him.
We're on the right-hand side here. The ones furthest away that are dark are sable antelopes, the official animal in the Harambe Wildlife Preserve. Darker ones are the males.
Are those deers?
No. The smaller ones off to the right here, they're all brown, are impala. They can run about 30 miles an hour and have a running forward leap of 30 feet, which is about the length of this truck. The ones that are even smaller than them, with the white stomachs and black stripes on their sides, are Thompson's gazelles, or Tommies. And they're not babies, they're fully grown. Tommies only get to be 60 pounds at most. All the ones all the way in the back that are gray are white-bearded wildebeests. They have the largest migration in the world. They move packs up to 1.5 million across Africa every single year.